Hey, I have a banana mold. Where should I put it? Is it this one? No, here. Still not. Maybe this. Not yet. Yes, it fits. Look, a strawberry top mold. Let's try here. No match. How about this? No. Yes. It fits. Here comes a pineapple mold. Let's find its place. No. There. Perfect. A cherry mold. This one looks easy. Right here. It fits. Let's make a banana. Let's choose a color. Green? Not this one. Orange? Nope. Yellow? Yes. Let's use yellow. Such a bright and happy yellow. Let's roll it out nice and flat. Now bring the outline mold. Press it down. Cut the shape carefully. Now the detail mold. Press it on top. Great. Let's clean up the extra dough. Lift the mold gently. Take the banana shape out slowly. Wow, a perfect banana. It looks amazing. Let's put our beautiful banana back. Great job. Let's make a strawberry. Let's choose a color for our strawberry. Green? No, not this one. Orange? Nope. Red? Ah, yes! Red is bright and shiny. Let's roll out the red Play-Doh nice and flat. Now bring the strawberry shape mold. Press it down carefully. Great! Now the detail mold. Place it on top. Press it firmly. Let's clean up the extra dough. Lift the mold gently. Take the strawberry shape out slowly. Wow, what a sweet strawberry. Bring some green Play-Doh. Magic time. Now, it's time for the seeds. Carefully place the little black seeds all over the strawberry. What a perfect strawberry we made. Let's put our strawberry back on the board. Let's make a pineapple. Let's choose a color for our pineapple. Orange? Maybe not. Purple? No. Green? Yes, green is perfect. Green is bright and fresh. Let's roll out the green Play-Doh nice and flat. Now bring the pineapple shape mold. Press it down carefully. Now the detail mold. Place it on top. Press it firmly. Great! Let's clean up the extra dough. Lift the mold gently. Take the pineapple shape out slowly. Wow! Looks just like a real pineapple. Magic happens and the pineapple's body turns brown. What a perfect pineapple we made. Let's put our pineapple back on the board. Let's make a cherry. Let's choose a color for our cherry. Orange? No, not this one. Purple? No. Pink? Yes. Pink is bright and cheerful, just like a fresh cherry. Let's roll out the pink Play-Doh nice and flat. Now bring the cherry shape mold. Press it down carefully. Now the detail mold. Place it on top. Press it firmly. Let's clean up the extra dough. Lift the mold gently. Take the cherry shape out slowly. Wow, such a cute cherry! What a perfect cherry we made. Let's put our cherry back on the board. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun now.